OMG Artistry.
Hey guys, it's Taylor Rae at Taylor Rae Hair.
And we are here with Colortrak today. You want to show them a little bit about what we're going to do?
Yes, you guys, I'm so excited about this because we are going to be doing a rainbow baby light technique using clip-in extensions. This is a really fun way to give your clients fun, vibrant color, but without the commitment.
Yes, we call this color without the commitment. Now we have Jenny who has to work at her salon as well, but maybe sometimes she doesn't want that color every single time. Why don't you explain a little bit about that?
Yeah, so this is a really fun way for clients to express themselves creatively with their hair color for events or weekends or party, what have you. And then when they go back to their Monday 9-to-5 job, they can just take them out and they're back to normal.
All right, are you ready? Yes?
Okay, let's do this.
So now that we have clipped in the extensions, I'm using my mesh for separation just to make sure I don't get it on her hair as well. So I'm taking it and I'm applying it right at the top and I'm pushing it up and I'm using my hand as an anchor point on her shoulder because of the length of her hair.
Also, because of the length of her hair, we are using the extra long mesh strips today. We do have them that come in 2 different lengths. We have shorter ones and the longer ones, and it's very important to match the length of whatever tool you're using to the length of your client's hair. Because of the technique we're doing today, we want to make sure that the hair doesn't hang over the edge of the mesh and then not be able to do the technique properly.
So today we are using the Ambassador Collection bowls, which the one thing that I love about them is they're actually reusable. So they come with a top, as you see right here. They come in 2 different sizes. So you can actually, if you have this color and you want to save it for later and store it, you can do that.
So for this technique today, we are using the mini Colortrak glitter brushes because it is more of a detailed technique. I want a smaller brush so I can control exactly where that color goes. We are starting towards the scalp and just gently applying back and forth, kind of feathering the color. And I really enjoy using the Colortrak Meche underneath my sections for this type of technique because it gives me support and allows me to gently push that color all the way through my fine section. So with this type of technique, I am wanting the colors to be a little more on the blocky side, but what I will do is I will take my finger and just gently kind of rub it where the colors meet to create a little bit more of a softer line. Okay, so now that I finished my first section, I am going to bring this section down, and what I'm gonna do is actually just lay it right on top of my underneath section, so that I can make sure that the colors marry perfectly where I place them underneath. Another thing I do love about the Colortrak Meche is now I can actually see where my pattern is underneath if my section is a little thicker, and it just kind of helps me follow what I did before. So one of my absolute favorite things about our mesh is that it really just keeps the hair in place. So how many times have we had our clients get up, they go to the bathroom, they kind of whip their hair back and forth, whatever they do. The thing about mesh is, look, it is not going to go anywhere, it's not going to slide out of their hair, and it's going to keep your color underneath perfect as where you put it.
Now you have learned our Rainbow Bright technique. You're going to let this process at 20 minutes with room temperature.
And then follow up with a very, very cold rinse. I always tell my clients if they're not getting brain freeze, it is not cold enough.
All right, so this is our final look for the color without commitment. You want to show them what it looks like without it?
Let's do it. Again, you guys, super fun look for clients to have a little extra fun on the weekend with no commitment.
Make sure you're following Colortrak at Colortrak on Instagram, as well as OMG Artistry
and Taylor Rae Hair.
Thanks guys.